hybrids and EVs seem to be taking over the streets nowadays? It's the future. But can your mechanic keep up with this ever-evolving technology? Introducing the ultimate EV. The best place in New Zealand where you can solve all your problems under one roof. Our expert technicians aren't just skilled, they're certified specialists in electric and hybrid technologies, boasting over a decade of experience in the industry. And when it comes to parts, we've got you covered. Whether you need genuine, brand new or aftermarket, we have them all right here. Plus, we have an in-house hybrid battery remanufacturing facility, ensuring you have access to high-quality batteries at affordable prices. And let's not forget about our designated service advisors. They'll be with you every step of the way, ensuring your experience with us is smooth and hassle-free. So, next time your hybrid needs attention, you know where to find us. Experience the automotive excellence delivered by New Zealand's #1 hybrid and EV specialist. 154 Cavendish Drive, Papatoetoe.